welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. And please do make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It does help me out. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And if you're new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. But as you can see from the description, we do have our December 2018 Birchbox. I love Birchbox. I know it is actually probably one of the very original subscription boxes. If you're not familiar, it is $10 a month and you receive sample beauty items, sometimes deluxe size samples. And like I said, yeah, it's $10 a month and I just really like it. You get to try new stuff and it's fantastic. So I like Birchbox. And the card right here says, "What's meant to be will find a way." And it says, "Here's to reflecting on an amazing year behind us, looking to the fresh start ahead, and always remembering there's even greater plans for you lined up in the stars." I like that. I really like that. On the back, as always, we have our products and their full-size price. All right, so let's just get in here. The first item is from Malin and Goetz. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. The full size of this is $50. This is a vitamin E face moisturizer. This oil-free moisturizer deeply hydrates and balances pH, making it a match for all skin types, even the most sensitive. So that's a great product to have. And it's actually a decent size. I mean, that's not, you know, one or two uses. So you'll get some use out of that. The next product is from Davines. All-in-one milk, full size is $34. This nourishing leave-in treatment detangles while adding volume, shine, and heat protection. So it's a hair leave-in, and again, it's a good size. It's not something, you know, that you're only going to get one or two uses out of. So that's nice. Oh my goodness. This is the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Full size is $22. I don't think this is full size, but it's still a good size. I have received so many of these between Ipsy and Birchbox and Allure or Sephora. I've received this in so many boxes. It is a really great eyeliner. It's a felt tip. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably going to end up putting it into a giveaway because, like I said, I've received so many. So one of you guys will be getting that. And then we have La Vanilla. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. The Healthy Fragrance Vanilla Coconut. Full size is $48. It says, "Take a mini vacay with this tropical scent. The combo of vanilla and coconut will transport you to an island, while the good-for-you ingredients make it safe for sensitive skin." If I did not say full size is $48. Let's give you a smell. I like vanilla and coconut, so. Oh, it does smell good. That smells really good. I will be putting that. I always keep an Ipsy bag in my purse, you know, with lip balms and different things, so that'll be going in there. That smells really good. And then we have from Marcel, this is a CC cream with SPF 35, Golden Glow. The full size is $35. This CC cream hydrates, evens tone, and gives skin instant radiance thanks to its tiny flecks of light reflecting pigments. Plus SPF 35 offers daily sun protection. All right, so here is the actual product. And there you can kind of see the color, the tinted color. So I'll be happy to try that a couple of times. Reduces the appearance of dark spots. So yeah, that's great. And then our last two items actually go together. And they both say that they're bonus. And I'm guessing they go with the hair product. This is the Davines Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. The shampoo full size is 31. The conditioner full size is 38. It says, for the shampoo, you'll love this ultra hydrating paraben and sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types. It boosts volume and shine, improves texture, and protects hair from UV rays. And then the conditioner, this conditioner is packed with natural active ingredients like Roku oil, which protect hair from UV rays and heat damage, plus apricot butter, which adds softness. So, usually not a fan of foil packets, but being that they were bonus items, I'm okay with it. And I'll probably give them a try because having this decent size of the leave-in, I'd like to kind of see how they all work together. So that was my Birchbox for December 2018. Let me know down below if you get Birchbox. If you do, what you think, what you got this month. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.